and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a favorite of mine from when I was a kid, and I still make it, not as often, but I do make it. It's a rice and apple bake. I know that sounds so strange because rice is usually such a savory thing, so to pair it with apples seems a little bit weird, but let me tell you, the combination is amazing. We eat this usually for lunch. Sometimes I'll eat it for dinner if I don't feel like making anything else, because the leftovers are amazing. You can either pop them back in the oven to heat them up or in the microwave, whatever works for you. And again, this recipe is super affordable, so I'm so excited to share it with you. If you want to see how it comes together, just keep watching.